when you go to classes, it's not going to be like this, where I'm just talking. So in the classes, the teachers don't do the delivery. At Pasxcel, we've always been online. So we've not like, like other schools who have sort of transitions from a physical to online, right? So we've always been online. We've always done homeschooling online, and we've always done tutorials online. So much so that when the IGCSE exams got cancelled in May, June 2020, so what happened is, because we've been online all the while, we had recordings of everything, every single class, every single progress test, what time did the students submit the homework, what was the feedback given, the whole program was recorded. So when the students had to go for predicted grades in the exam centers, we had no issues because we could send everything to them, and all the students all came out with fantastic results of A stars and straight A's and all that. The hours of active teaching, which means, I won't say active teaching, active classroom, which is like this, going to be only about 3 hours to 4 hours a day. It's all well spaced out. Everything that is being done here is completely scientific. Like, for example, even when class starts, right, we don't have classes that start 7:30, 8:30 in the morning. We know melatonin production in teenagers is a bit late at night. They are groggy in the morning, so we make sure class starts at 9:30. When they are fully ready, had breakfast, ready to study. And then online classes, through experience, we know students cannot concentrate more than an hour. So we make sure that classes are an hour. And classes, when you go to classes, it's not going to be like this, where I'm just talking. So in the classes, the teachers don't do the delivery. What happens is, a lot of the materials, there will be a lot of assignment things to watch and materials to read before class, and they will do a very simple assessment before class so that the teacher understands what each student has understood from the material. And then in class, what happens is a very active discussion.